Hello everyone. Today I have received the new iPhone 11 Pro smart battery case, which is, according to Apple, will give you 50% extra charge, as you would expect from Apple smart battery case. It's sleek and it's not as bulky as you would imagine or expect. Also, it's got this inside, and I don't think there's much difference between this and the previous smart cases. What I have noticed, or what even Apple said, there is this button for the camera. So if you continuously press this button, it will take you straight away to the video or to the camera. I will demonstrate this in a bit. It's worth mentioning that this case was supposed to reach me by Friday. So when I ordered it, it says on the website delivered by Friday, but I was surprised to receive it this afternoon. So as I mentioned, it's really easy to install. All you have to do is just slide your iPhone, and there you go. You can see the smart case is here, and to be honest, I've been using it since about 1 o'clock this afternoon, and I've obviously charged them both to 100%, and this is what I'm getting now. So at the moment it will be this is 99, so shortly it will be 100%. But I think with this case I should be able to my iPhone should last for at least 24 hours. I really like how it's how it feels and how it's acceptable. I won't say amazing, but acceptable. This is what is this button's doing. If you keep holding on that button, this is the result that you're getting. Oh, in fact, sorry, this is only one press. I get nothing. Alright, here we go. It's a continuous press. It'll get you the camera, and obviously another press, it will start recording. Yep. Yeah, that's the new Apple smart case. Thank you for watching.